How to see who shared my post on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, you will learn how to know if somebody has shared your post in their Instagram. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap onto your account from your bottom right and make sure that you switch your personal account to a business account. Once you do so, you will see Professional Dashboard on your homepage. Now let's go ahead and open up any post. As you tap onto your post, you will see View Insights option. Simply tap onto it, and this is the share icon. If somebody has shared your post to their Instagram, you will see 1 or 2 under this arrow icon. Just like so, that is how you can know it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.